people on. What's up, guys? My name's Trevor. Welcome back to the Arctic Vet channel today. Welcome back to the Arctic Vet channel. Today, let me get that focus on me. Today we're going to be talking about some glasses. Now, this isn't a typical video for me, but you know, seeing as our eyes are very important to us, I feel like this is very car related. So I've got a few clips. And you guys might already know what these kind of glasses are. If you don't, you're about to find out. And I hope you guys enjoy the video. On another note, don't worry, I'm gonna be taking this wrap off and filming it. Hopefully tomorrow night. Just not tonight. It's too cold. Too cold. I need a warm night. A warm, hot day, actually. That'd be great. Anyhow, enjoy these clips. We'll catch you guys in the next video. Alright, so I am a huge fan of blue light canceling. Hold on, put it down on the table. Lenses, blue tint lens, glasses, and these are non-prescription. And so if I put them on here, it's kind of hard on hand here. Turn around, get you guys a little view. Here's the clear ones. What I do is I wear these for work because I sit in front of a camera all day. And here's the black ones. Can you open that one? Thank you. And these are amazing. These are non-prescription ones, which is just what I need. So I can see up close like normal, and I can read far away. But what we want to show you is this little card right down here. This is the blue light protect. So what it says is please. What is that? Irritate. Oh, our table just tipped.
Yeah.
Iterate.
What?
I don't know. I don't know that word. I can't say that word.
Please.
This word.
Write it.
Radiate. Irradiate. Something like that. I don't know. Anyhow, in the white square below. And the stronger the blue light, so what we're going to do is we're going to put this blue light right here. That's what this is. We're going to put it right there. And as you can see, it's shining. But watch, as I remove this spot is super dark.
Let me do it.
And if we move this a little bit further up, like say right there, you can see how, even just for a second, it's still pretty dark. And we'll move it even further, like, let's say, how far is that? Probably about a foot away. Let's see.
Nothing.
And it doesn't really do much.
Nope.
So the closer you get, the darker this is. That's the more blue light. That's the damage that this little light can do to your eyes. And so, hang on a second. I found these thanks to one of my friends and started wearing them at work. And I used to have headaches at the end of Friday. Come Friday, the end of the week, my eyes hurt like no other. And I'd have a headache like crazy. And so I bought a set. They're a little bit different. And they had a prescription on them, which is real small. And honestly, it's a pair of readers for me. And so, ever since then, my headaches have gone away from staring at a screen all day. And you can kind of see as we point them up there. Here, can you shine that light on the glasses?
Yeah, that's what I look like.
It reflects some of that blue light. And hold on, let's show them the other way. Shine it through at the other side. The other side. Go on, let go. The other side, Audie. Other side.
Okay, what do I look like?
So it cancels. Okay, now on this side
What
again.
do I look like? Dad, why?
So you can see how it takes some of that blue light out. You look pretty darn handsome, but those are a little big for your eyes, your head. So you look pretty handsome too. Let me get those. These are not to play with. These are daddy's for work and for gaming.
Can I tell?
Let me see the blue light.
If you
So anyhow, if you guys have headaches or you have eye strain with staring at a computer, a TV, a phone, whatever the case may be, if it gives you a headache, definitely check these out. These ones here, they're actually, let's get this to focus. Maybe. These are Mad Eyes. And it actually came as a 2-set for like 20 bucks off Amazon. This is not a paid promotion, and honestly I haven't ever had any before. I've had similar ones but none like these, and so definitely look into these, and if you have any questions let me know, because I've used them and I love them. I've been using them, these blue light blocking glasses, for a year, and it's amazing difference. So definitely check them out.
Like and subscribe. If you don't, Piggy's gonna take your snacks.
What?
You don't say
Thumbs up, comment below, click the red subscribe button.